How to make anime Roblox profile picture 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Roblox and how you're going to be creating your very own anime profile picture. Now, you can go ahead and use the Creator Studio to create something for yourself, or what you can do is follow these steps. Now, if you want to use Roblox for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off right away. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to your browser and you're going to search up Picru Roblox. Okay, so you're basically going to write that in, and once you do that, it's going to bring you to Picru, the character maker and creator. So once you've done this, what it's going to do is it's going to start loading you in. Now, once we're over here, just go ahead, click on agree. Now, once you have clicked on agree, it's going to basically bring you here to this section. Now, to create your very own character, you're going to go over to the creator. And once we've come over to the creator, what you can do is you can create different designs just like these for yourself. And it all depends on whatever design you want to go with. And obviously, to become a proper personal creator, what you're going to be doing is you're basically going to go ahead, wait for the creator to load up. Now, it's going to ask you to log in with any account. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in with my Gmail. And the login process is really simple. Just add in your account and it should load you in into Picru in the easiest and most simplest way. So once all of that is done and all of those things are aside, as you can see, Picru is going to load me in. Now, simply go ahead, add in your contact details. And once you add in your contact details, what happens from there is just add a proper username for yourself, click on register, and it's simply going to send an email to your email that you have added for sign up. So simply go ahead, get the verification code for yourself, and once you've done that, go ahead and get yourself authenticated and signed in. So my code is 8077, okay? 8077, and we have 26, okay? So once you add that in, you're going to click on authenticate, and there we go. So now you're going to go over to create an image maker, and once we are over here, it's going to bring us here, okay? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on create an image maker, and once we do that, you're going to give it any name. The canvas size doesn't really matter. I'm going to go with 1 by 1, and once you do that, you have two types. The dress up maker, which allows users to freely combine items, or random, which basically chooses random images to generate. So I'm going to go with dress up and I'm going to click on register. All right. Now, once you've done that, it's going to bring you into the image maker. And once you're over here, you're going to start adding parts for yourself. Now, the parts you choose depend on you, okay? It depends on how you choose to play along with it, how you choose to mess around with the Picru character maker, okay? And the whole point of creating a proper avatar in this is so simple, and the ease that it gives you when it comes to the creation is out of this world. So simply go over to the maker that you have created. And once you go over to the maker, what you're going to want to do from here is basically just go over to add parts. Once you go to add parts, let's say I'm going to give it a name. Let's click on save. And what this does is it's going to load things over here. Okay. Now, once this is loaded, what you're basically going to be doing is you're going to add your very own items into your design. It all depends on whatever you want to go with. So let's say I want to upload an image, like, let's go with something like this. Okay, I want to upload this image. So I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Now, once you click on save from here, what's going to happen is you can basically go ahead and change the different varieties of it. You can add in rules, and you can also choose the color palettes for it. Now, once the image maker is done loading in and everything is good to go, you can add in your very own settings, and this is where you're going to add in the anime style. Okay, so you're going to add in different layers where it gives you the filtration for the anime style that you're going to want to go with. And once you have added that for yourself, you should be good to go. And this is basically how you're going to be making an anime image for your Roblox account. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end. Again, if you want to use Roblox, do make sure to check the link down in the description below, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.